welcome to Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing these LED recessed thin panel lights. They're 6 inches each. It comes with 4 of them in a box. Really great, super easy. Comes with even the template if you need to cut the hole in your sheetrock. I already had pre-cut hole, so I didn't have to do that. And easy to install. It comes with a light, and it comes with the junction box, which you open up and all the little pieces are on here. You just have to install these pieces onto here and then install it to the wires on your ceiling, and then close up the box and connect the box to the light itself. And that's it. It starts working. It has 3 different temperature lights over here on the side. So it has more. It has 5,000, 4,000, 3,500, 3,000, and 2,700. So different settings of lights. So whichever setting that you want, you just put it on, and then it, you just make sure to turn all of them to the same one so that we have them all synced on the same voltage. So really great. It goes from like a yellowish tone to like a bright LED tone. So perfect. 12-watt power, 1,100 lumens. I highly recommend these. They look amazing. They give beautiful light. And they're just perfect and super easy to install. So I recommend them, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.